Good little geocache that. And it actually looks more like a real stone than any others we've seen so far. Feels like a stone. It's really good. Really good, that one.
That's what they be in there. What is it? People in Suffolk?
All rich.
They like putting money in caches.
Good little cache, that one. And this area, trying to find this geocache. And there's a stump, if you notice, it's got a bracket. And the geocache is there, look, inside. Quite cool, eh?
Is it there?
Well, at least it was well hidden. There's a big group of people just sat down at the lunch right next to this. We had to wait for them to leave. So that last geocache we just did, we've just dropped a trackable in it. There was about 10 people, might have been 12, and they were all sitting down eating the sandwiches right next to where the cache was. And although I could have actually asked them to just tell them what we were doing, I thought, you know what, I'll wait till they've left, because initially we thought they were doing the geocache, but it turned out that they weren't. They were just having the lunch. So we sat down near them and had a little bit of lunch, and then found the geocache and then put the trackable in it. Another good sized geocache, this one, big tub, this one. So we're going to sign the logbook. There's not a louse in here.
Rather damp.
It's a bit damp. And this one was nicely hidden in a huge tree. Behind this huge tree.
It's coming.
Alright.
Got a tazo in it.
Another. Yeah, I found this one for a change. Kids usually beat me to it. Who remembers these? Tazos. Daffy Duck number 18. Walker's Tazos. That's a rare find, isn't it?